Right, welcome back to another video. Just a simple one today on a Sunday. We're going to make some bigger alignment cones for line boring. These are the ones I've got. Well, I made these. They're from 40mm up to 75mm, but they're not big enough for some jobs. So I'm going to make some 75 up to 125. Right, first job, we're going to cut some 135mm circles out of this 50mm plate. And to do that, we're going to use my old Magic Eye profiler. How this works is you just draw your pattern on a bit of card. Like these are some of my other patterns. And then whatever that box there sees, it cuts out on your plate. So obviously this lot moves all backwards and forwards, and that lot moves across as well. So whatever you draw in there, it cuts out. Right, that should do for my circle, for my pattern. Right, that's ready to cut out. I've done a test run around the pattern. It follows the pattern nice. I've lined the pattern up on the table so it's on the right place on the plate. So I just need to light the flame and then cut it out. Well, cut two out. That's them cut out. On this I just started from the edge because it was quicker, but sometimes you have to be careful because this plate is not supported anymore because you cut through there, so the plate moves like it has done there, but it doesn't matter for this job because I'm putting them in the lathe anyway to true them up, but it's just quicker edge starting than it is like piercing through like there or drilling a hole through first. I don't think you can complain with that type of cut quality on 2-inch plate, 50mm plate. That's them cut out fairly well, to be fair. There's a few raggedy bits where I've started and stopped, and but they'll grind down. I'm just going to dress them up now with a grinder and then put them in the lathe and make them into cones. Flame cut edges are generally pretty hard, so I like to just grind them down so you can't see any of the cut marks, and it just helps save your lathe tools a little bit. That's what I found. I got that mounted in the external jaws. I'm going to turn the diameter down to 125mm, and then I'm going to step it like that because I want the inside to be 75mm and the outside to be 125. So I'd have to take all that off with a compound slide on the lathe, which will take ages. So I'm going to step it, and then I won't have so much to take off the compound slide. I think that'll be the quickest way. The x-axis on the lathe doesn't work very well anymore, so I've got my dial gauge set up as a stop, so when that gets to 5, I know that I don't want to go anymore because it'll touch the lathe jaws. So I don't claim to be an expert at machining. I was having a bit of a bother here getting the feed rate set right so the chips would break off nice. They're sort of coming off in long, horrible springs. I think with the plate being flame cut as well, that didn't help. So I'm still using my dial gauge here. I'm using it to measure 10mm because I'm doing 10mm steps, and then I'm resetting the dial gauge and using it as a stop again as well, so I know where to stop. Right, so I've got a fair bit of that taken off. I've got the compound set to 30 degrees now. For some reason I haven't actually got any footage of cutting with a compound slide. I must have forgotten to press record or something, which is very annoying. But anyway, this is drilling the hole out. I centre drilled it first, and then I went through with a 16mm pilot hole, and now I'm drilling it out at 38mm, ready for a 40mm reamer. There they are, the finished cones. To finish them off, I couldn't get all the way to the end of the taper without touching the chuck jaws, so I rough cut it first, just got most of the taper done, and then I took them out of the jaws, mounted them onto a bit of round bar, and just tacked them around the end, so then I could hold them by the round bar, just to do the finish, finish cut, so I could get right to the end of the taper. And there they are, the small ones against the big ones. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you could consider liking and subscribing, that would be a great help. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.